Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add chromatic effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click on new project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you, this is the original video like this, but in this video I want to add chromatic effects. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you can click on a video effect, and at the menu you can click on the basic and swipe down until you can see chromatic, this one. Click on it and then click check icon. After this, you can adjust the effect. So just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the horizontal like this, and then you can adjust for vertical like this. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And then set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add chromatic effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.